G'day guys, we're here today at one of our house and land estates. As you can see behind me, the boys are just getting stuck into a slab pour, which is the first stage of our 25-week build guarantee.
Concrete pump is the first thing on site. He'll set up, the concrete trucks will be here, they start pumping in, they'll do all their beams that are in the slab pour first, and then they'll come through, gradually fill up the slab. By the time they've finished filling it, they can start troweling where they started, and then it's just a waiting game until it starts to go off, and then they just keep troweling it to get a finish on it.
So everything is put in on a laser level, and all the heights are determined based on what's noted on the plans. So it's all very specific because it runs really quickly.
A few hours, concrete will have gone off enough, they'll start stripping it. At the end of the day, we'll be left with a clear slab, all the boxing, formwork, everything removed, and ready for framing.
Thanks for coming with us today. We'll see you next time as we start work on the frame.